Hello. All right, so let's get started with Shopify. So search Shopify, and we are going to go to the home page by clicking on this link here, shopify.com. Then log in if you already have an account. So just click on this link here. Then you'll be patient, it's going to load. And once it's done, you can put in your credentials like your email and password. But I don't have an account, so I'm going to click on get started. You can log in or create an account any of the social media provider like Google, Facebook, and Apple. So I'm going to use Google here. Sign in with Google. Then click on your account here. Then click on continue. Head back to Shopify. Alright, so now you create your store here. Create your first store. Since I'm new, so I'm creating a new account here. Alright, so once that is done, it's going to take you to where you make payment, right? So but you can skip here. Click on the skip button if you want, or put in your information like your first name, your last name, your card number, month and year to expire, CVV and the likes, address, postal code, country or region and the likes. Alright, so I'm going to just continue. Click on the button here to proceed, or you can just click on skip if you want to. Alright, here you can click on the options you want. Where would you like to sell? As this is, you can just click on all if you want to. So next, then also this one here, I will choose on new business, new or existing business. So what do you plan to sell? So you can just pick anyone that best suits your needs. All right, digital products, services, and the likes. Next. All right, so you're all set up. All right, so now we are good to go. You can see we have 3 days left for the trial. So you can, so you say free 3 months of $1, or you pay $20. This $20 US domain accounts. So I'll just click on select plans to see all the plans that is available. We have the retails, basic, grow, and advanced. So you can see all of this is $1 at least for the first 3 months. Afterward, you are going to pay the full payment, which is striked at the moment. You can scroll down to see other plans, starter and plus. As you can see here, I think plus is the most advanced plan. You can see other. You can check the compare plans here to see the ones that best suit your needs. Alright, so I'm going to close this now. Then I'm going to settings. I'm going to check the payments down here. So you can check all the information about your past payments. So I don't need to have any payments currently because I've not made any payment yet. You can come to billings to see all your billings information. You can check all, you can check paid, and you can check unpaid down in the bills sections here. Alright, so we are good to go. We're going to close this. Then I'm going to also show you how to also edit your profile. So if you go up here into the my store, currently I don't have any image, as you can see here. So once I click here, it's going to show this drop down, so I can click on that to edit my first name, last name, and other information I want to. Right, you can change your language, you can change your time zones and the likes. You just need to explore this. And by the left, you see that we have security. So if you want to add like more layers of security,